Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My friends, I want to share with you my finished mini library in a tin. This particular mini library is Harry Potter themed. I did share some of the process with you in a previous video, so if you have not seen that, be sure to check it out. I will link it in this area here, and I will also try to remember to link it down below. Here is the front. This is what you see when you first look at the tin. When you open this, this is what the inside looks like. On the one side, I have the Gryffindor dormitory, the fireplace. I did do some fussy cutting and some altering to make this a little more custom. This started out as looking like this, where there was a Gryffindor tapestry above the fireplace with some books. I decided that I wanted a portrait of Dumbledore. I wanted Dumbledore's portrait to be in that same spot. So I carefully cut that section where the tapestry was, backed it with some black construction paper, found images of Dumbledore's portrait, again doing a Google search, printed in miniature, used some double-sided foam tape to just give it a tiny bit of dimension. I can't have too much dimension because then the lid won't close, and just popped it on to the center there. And then I found some images of Hedwig and fussy cut him as well and added him there. So I have Dumbledore's portrait and I have Hedwig just kind of perched next to the portrait, and this is all in the Gryffindor dormitory. So fun to make. I absolutely adore the way it turned out. I love that in this particular image I found, you can see the Nimbus 2000 broom, you can see some books, a chess set, you can see scarf in Gryffindor colors. I just adore everything about this image, and I thought it would be a perfect background, almost complete, except for the few alterations that I made. And then this is the Harry Potter mini library. The library features the 7 Harry Potter books in their proper order of release. The first book, and starting from the top, moving left to right, you have Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Next you have the Chamber of Secrets. Next to that is Prisoner of Azkaban. Then you have Order of the Phoenix. That's the blue book right there. Then you have Goblet of Fire. The green one is the Half-Blood Prince. And then the yellow one is Deathly Hallows. So I'll bring that a little close. Then I have the Sorting Hat. And of course, I had to include some kind of like Easter eggs, if you will. So if you've seen the movies or read the books, because there's more than one, then you will instantly notice some of those iconic images, if you will. We have the Sorting Hat, and that Sorting Hat is actually some kind of holiday ornament. It's an image of a holiday ornament that I downloaded and printed in a small size, fussy cut, and used that. I thought it was just perfect the way the Sorting Hat was stacked on top of the books. It just worked out well. And you see the little plants in the background? Those are Neville's plant. That's the Mimbulus Mimbletonia. I call it Neville's plant because it's just easy to remember that way. But I have 3 of them scattered on the shelves. And then on the bottom here, I have a stack of books. I have a dragon, and I have a little dragon egg that I made. And that dragon egg was made using one of the mini eggs from a Tim Holtz release. I think it's part of his ideology release, his mini eggs. I just took one of them and dipped it in a combination of Gilda's. Well, first I brushed some Gilda's wax paste on it in the color Antique Gold. And then I put it in a plastic bag with a couple of sprays of some Fortune Teller mica stain. And that's how I got that look. I just stacked it on the pile of books as if the little dragon was trying to get to his dragon egg or her dragon egg. Or perhaps just hatched from perhaps a similar egg that was located some other part of the library. And then I have a little wand, an itty bitty little wand. I love this so much, next to the egg because, you know, somebody was hanging in the library and forgot their wand. So irresponsible. And then I have a little ladder here to help anyone wanting to get those books on the high shelf to access those books a lot easier. Although if you had a wand, you really don't need that, right? You can just call the book to you using a spell. Just saying. So that is the finished library. I had so much fun making this. I absolutely adore the way it turned out. That is my share, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you. And I will catch you all in my next video, my friends. Until next time. Bye-bye.